Hello guys, welcome to our video. So today we how can use Visual Code Studio in without installation your local machine. You can use only cloud-based. So first you can go to type vscode.dev and enter the same interface. You the your browser and you can use create new file, open folder your local machine and it's like open folder your Zoom, and so you can do it anything for the same according to installation tool, local machine and browser. So you can use without installation and enjoy and doing the code. It's very easy. Or you can type the code. So first create a location. You want to create a file and you can open git and extension. So same all option here on the your PC browser, not installation requirement on the your system. You save your memory for the US code use on the browser based. Okay, and you can you can open your folder like project. Allow yes, it's come your codes and do you code start coding whatever. Okay, and check your terminal is working or not working. So go to your terminal and check this terminal. Because terminal is not allow, I think. Yeah, terminal is not allowing the web editor continue this environment can run code like to code and VS Code desktop. So this is the problem. Okay, but you can code and save and check your local. Okay, thank you for this watching video.